The following message is being transmitted by the request of a pissed of Takani. Currently Takani and his cult-like following is standing right outside your home crying and pleading to come back into the EAS community. Currently, it's being advised that you do not interact with Takani because the motherfucker is dangerous as hell and there is a 99% chance the bitch will turn on your ass. Don't believe me, I tried like 5 times already anyways. If you encounter Takani, don't feel bad. Turn around, don't be fooled by that hoe on the sidewalk asking for $5. He gets it on under a damn bridge for money with his cringe-looking ass. Sources, and when I mean sources, this source sounds like Fox News, are glorious and unfuck-up-able Takani. I told you this would sound like a cult. Anyways, back to the script. Has found a glorious solution to rating. Being a dick to EAS freak even though he did nothing in like 8 months to us, sounds like a good plan. Takani, good luck. Stop trying to make your PC look like Windows XP, you're addicted to it. Everyone Takani pirates Microsoft Office, and sucks more dick than your average human being. Takani has a gay obsession with Clay Ranger. It's pretty weird, and that's coming from a gay guy. James Charles Part 2. Our glorious leader Takani wanted you to know that all of you watching this right now needs to click off and go sub to him or he will kill you. Remember to lock all doors and windows and to not let Takani in your home, or you may face certain rape and death. And when I mean rape, I mean he will pee all on your face like R. Kelly. Takani has R. Kelly raped 47 people already. Do you want to be the 48th? Then lock your damn door. The emergency alert system has been activated like R. Kelly when he pisses on people. We interrupted your favorite TV show Takani. Teen Mom, in the best part where there's no commercials, for some YouTube drama. Takani has teamed up with Marion, and didn't no lie, so bye. Enough with the puns, and NSYNC jokes. Okay, so apparently Marion has the ability to fuck your internet up and make it feel like a 56K dial-up connection. No, literally it feels like I'm using Windows ME in 1999, right now. Anyways, Takani and 56K Marion wanted you to know that anyone who fucks with them will have dial-up speed and random dropped connections for the rest of their life. We are now getting reports that Takani's cult-like following has also R. Kelly raped 726 people at this time. Lock your goddamn doors. Or just get R. Kelly raped. Sorry. Takani and 56K Marion is really not wanting me to say this. Taki is one of the biggest fucking mistakes the EAS community has ever seen. That's why he makes crap and trash-ass content and has nothing better to do than play a pirated version of GTA 5 and make dumb-as-hell videos about other people who couldn't give two fucks about him or his 56K giving-ass friend. The following message has been transmitted by Takani's World. Please stand by for further information. Takani's World has reported that EMCC has raided them when their former leader is still in the grieving process. That makes total sense to us Takani World recipients, but for our EMCC recipients are like, what the actual fuck did we do this time? Taki, you are like on meth or something, get some help please, and plus there went your so-called title unrateable. So much for your unrateable server, dumb bitch. False advertising. Takani is crying in the corner right now, because he cannot find any members besides his cult-like following to join Takani's World. So sad. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed of Taki's R. Kelly's rape incidents. The following message is being transmitted by order of Tekani and his dumbass friend. Tekani made a Hollywood-class movie of Barney era featuring Tekani having sex and pee on someone in a bathtub. Also, more importantly, Tekani found out how to make Barney error come to life, and now Barney error is threatening everyone. Lock all doors and windows, if not move to Africa, get a plane to France, or worse China. Techie wants you to know he's got Ebola la la la. 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 Oh fuck, oof. We interrupt your teen mom Tekani, but this is important. All normal programming has been discontinued during this big fucking emergency. So apparently Tekani and 56K Marion ate way too much Taco Bell and nuclear acid, and now they're going to explode shit and diarrhea all over the United States. Prepare for shit and radioactive fallout to be all over your windows and property. If you're outside or on the road like the dumb bitch you are, you're fucked, and are going to smell and look like shit for the rest of your life, and will probably burn from the acid and nuclear shit. The emergency alert system don't want to smell and look like shit, so it has decided to activate itself. We interrupt Tekani and 56K Marion's bad case of diarrhea for this national emergency. All normal programming including this bullshit has to stay on the air until Tekani and 56K Marion has their bad case of diarrhea, or boom boom shit storm time. Until then, if you are still on the road like a dumb bitch, drive like a bat out of hell. Too late.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have
Nick.
a bad case of diarrhea. I have 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 a bad case of diarrhea.
We're all doomed.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
Just kidding, some dumbass played that in the studio. I love that Tekani didn't diarrhea all over my white clothing like right now. Fuck, 56K Marion is back. Goddamn. Make it stop. Fuck my wife, I feel like this. Goddamn. I guess Logic didn't pick up the phone. He didn't want Tekani's diarrhea. One of our studio directors pushed the Tekani fan out of the 56th story window. He deserved it anyway. And when I meant logic 242 wouldn't answer, he didn't, or did he? Let's see. He ran away because of the Taco Bell shitstorm. He is planning to blow up Tekani and Marion before they shit and piss on all of us.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of
Goddamn, not again.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
Fuck. 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 Fuck, fuck.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.